Hello, welcome to Being Here After Kids. I'm me, and her is over there. We're in Canon City, Colorado, right close to the Royal Gorge. That's where we're going to be spending our weekend. Y'all come on, go with us. We're here at the Mountain View RV Resort. Got our rig all set up. And just like always, there's always going to be a problem when you're RVing. And you can't prepare for just everything because you just don't have room for it all. Our toilet valve decided it didn't want to work anymore. So now we're going to be running into town looking for toilet valves so we can actually have water. It's one of those things you just don't think ever to keep on hand, but they go ahead and buy two of them just in case. This resort's pretty cool. It's very, very clean, very well maintained. The bathrooms are amazing. The showers are great. They got a lot of rules here to keep the riffraff out, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. The only downside is right next to Highway 50, so you can hear the traffic noise all night long. But I guess you put on some sleep music, you can get rid of that. Look at that. Man, that's just nice. If this was set up on top of a mountain somewhere, man, this would almost be paradise. But this is as close as we can get, and I'll take that. So we're going to head on in, and then what we're going to do after that is we're going to head to the Royal Gorge. I think we're going to try to do some zip lining. We're going to try to do some sky coastering. Everybody at work was, "You're too old for that. Why are you doing that?" And I keep telling them, I say, "Hey, my kids are grown. They don't need me no more. And what do I got to look forward to? Tuesday?" So we're going to go have fun. Y'all come on. You're going to enjoy this. Well, there we are. Another one off the bucket list. I don't know, I got so many of them that I want to call it a 55-gallon list. But we still got a couple more days here. We'll see what else we can do. Maybe a train ride, maybe a helicopter ride, who knows. Anyway, I'm sure it's going to be fun. Okay, I've got to come up with something else besides trying to hold this camera and try to video at the same time while I'm on a bike that I haven't ridden in 35, 40 years, well, 45 years. So anyway, we're gonna come up with something different. Man, that black rifle top is pretty good. Just gonna wrap up our 3-day Memorial Day weekend trip down here to the Royal Gorge. Man, we had a great time. You know, it's real hard when you're editing these videos to figure out what you want to put in there. If you put everything in there, it's going to be, well, it'll be 10, 12 hours long, and man, I barely got the patience for a 5-minute video. But I've tried to hit the highlights for you, show you what this is about down here if you've never been here, or if you have, maybe bring back some memories. Man, we've had a great time. You know, we've had some setbacks. Things didn't go as planned, hardly ever does. I guess it all depends on us on how we want to handle those setbacks. You know, it took me a lot of years to finally figure out that it's really my choice. And I think that I would rather have the setbacks in a setting like this than just sitting in the house on the couch somewhere, complaining and bitching about something that I have no control over. You know, getting out like this, I call it spiritual. You can call it whatever you want to call it, but it's hard to believe there's not a creator when you see the kind of stuff that we've been seeing. You know, we bought those e-bikes. I mentioned I was in a previous video, I was going to buy some e-bikes, and I did. And we're going to do some videos on them later and some reviews. But I like hiking. But man, last night, being able to get as far back as we were able to get and see the sunset over the San Juan Mountains back in there and over the Royal Gorge. Oh, golly, man, you just don't get to see that stuff every day, especially living in the city or living down the flatland. But I really can't say much bad about this RV park. The only con I come up with is close to that dadgum highway, but I think with some earplugs at night, that'd take care of all that. If you're going to sit at camp and complain about the traffic all day, then that means you ain't getting out and doing enough. I really appreciate y'all hanging with us. And if you ain't done it already, if you don't mind subscribing, I think I need another 880 some odd before I can actually call myself an influencer. I don't even know what that means. But man, we got a lot of stuff planned this summer. We're going to be pretty much living out of that truck camper. We'll be doing some fly fishing up about 10,600 feet for some grayling. We're going to be doing a lot of hiking, a lot of biking. I got my little mount on the back side of it. I can put my tackle box and my fold-up fly rods. I don't think I see a bad weekend coming up in the next 4 months. Y'all stay with us. I think y'all gonna enjoy it. Until then, we'll trudge the road together. See you down there.